enjoyed the most magnificent sunset, and now they're joyously cleaning up the mosquitoes for us. Got the full-blown chills. I don't remember having so many around me. It is day 3 of the annual Koh Lipe festival. They're the natives on the island. They just sent the boat out this morning with things they were releasing for the year. Honored their ancestors to start the festival. And on the other side of the island, they have been raging for 2.5 days. And they'll be up all night again. And I feel like this crazy blessed sunset